composting toilet shed by Transportable Shade Sheds. Transportable Shade Sheds is a game changer in the global manufacturing industry. Our award-winning product boasts a state-of-the-art bending and swaging technology that has sold over 70,000 units and counting, due to its strength and practical application. Current waste treatment systems pollute by design. It goes to our sewers, which then go to our rivers, oceans and groundwater. Luckily, we have the solution: the composting toilet shed. Our composting toilet shed is a self-contained, waterless, and odorless toilet treatment system. No chemical is used and it has no polluting discharge. It is based on an ancient natural process, organic decomposition. Here is how our compost toilet works. Solid waste and urine goes down the toilet and into the composting tank. The sloped base helps the finished compost material to roll down near the access hatch. Bacteria, compost worms and fungi break down the solid waste into a nutrient-rich organic matter. A fan pulls fresh air down the toilet and the air duct, and vents it out through a ventilation pipe. This airflow helps in evaporating excess moisture out of the tank. This also maintains the aerobic condition in the tank and keeps the system odor-free. The finished compost material can then be collected through the access hatch. This nutrient-rich organic matter can then be used as fertilizer or compost for a small garden or a large farm. Our composting toilet shed is packed with features. Our toilet system doesn't use water or power from the grid. The included motion sensor lights and ventilation fan are all powered by a solar panel and battery. A water tank is included to store rainwater. This can be used to supply water for the wash basin. The used water then goes down to the compost tank. The composting tank can be buried to keep the toilet at ground level, and is accessible through a service hatch at the back. A marine water pump is included to pump out the water that gets inside the buried steel container. The composting toilet shed could also be raised if excavation of the ground is not possible. It also features a service hatch to keep inspection and maintenance hassle-free. If you have a specific requirement for a composting toilet system, we can supply and install a wide range of custom options. You can have a single stall or double stall layout. It could be at ground level or raised. We can customize our solution to fit your needs. Sustainable, reliable, clean, and low maintenance. Get your composting toilet shed now. Contact us today. Like and share the video. And don't forget to subscribe to get updates on our latest content.